German-made AMI Reiner line of handheld inkjets is perfect for any industry. Food and beverage, pharmaceutical, health and beauty care, nutraceuticals, parts marking, clerical environments, and many more. Our line of handheld inkjet printers are perfect for printing on virtually any surface for any application. Print on paper and cardboard with the SpeedyJet. Print on wood, plastic, metal, and cardboard with the 940, and virtually any substrate, including plastic, metal, and glass with our JetStamp series. These printers are totally flexible and enable you to use them for environments where there are many SKUs or odd-shaped packaging or parts. We offer UV inks for security and loss prevention applications. Our full line of printers utilizes affordable and reliable HP cartridge-based technology. AMI Reiner products are synonymous with quality throughout the marking and coding industry. Print crisp, clean impressions to keep up with state and federal regulations regarding batch codes, lot codes, as well as manufactured and best by dates.